Salom do'stlar, Essential birinchi kitobini 10-unitiga keldik. Tekstlarni tarjima qilib chiqamiz. Demak, the first peacock, ya'ni birinchi tovus. Argos lived in ancient Greece, ya'ni Argos qadimgi Gretsiyada yashardi. He was a husband and a proud father. Ya'ni u er va faxrlangan, ya'ni yaxshi ota edi deyapti. He worked hard and did well at his job. Ya'ni u juda ham yaxshi ishlardi va o'zini ishini yaxshi bajarardi deyapti. But one thing about him wasn't normal. Ammo u to'g'risida ya'ni bitta aybi bor edi, nuqsoni bor edi deyapti. He was born with 100 eyes. Ya'ni u 100 ta ko'z bilan tug'ilgan edi. Having many eyes was usually a benefit to him. Ya'ni o'sha ko'p ko'zi bo'lish u uchun odatda foyda bo'lgan. He had a chance to see many things. Ya'ni unda juda ham ko'p narsalarni ko'rish uchun imkoniyat bo'lgan. Also, since he had so many eyes, he was very good at guarding things. Ya'ni o'sha unda ko'p ko'zlar borligi sababli u o'sha qo'riqlash ishida yaxshi edi deyapti. Good at bu yerda yaxshi. Ya'ni o'sha ishni yaxshi bajarardi deyapti. While sleeping, he only rested a few eyes at a time. Ya'ni uxlayotgan vaqtida uni bor yo'g'i bir nechta ko'zlari dam olardi. The others stayed awake. Ya'ni boshqalari uyg'oq bo'lardi, ya'ni uxlamasdi. He worked for Hera, a great goddess. Ya'ni u buyuk xudo uchun, ya'ni Hera uchun ishlardi deyapti. His primary function was to guard a special cow. Ya'ni uni asosiy vazifasi sigirni qo'riqlash bo'lgan. The cow was very important to Hera. Sigir Hera uchun juda ham muhim edi deyapti. It was her favorite pet. Ya'ni u uning sevimli uy hayvoni edi. The most essential part of his job was to keep the cow alone. Ya'ni ishining asosiy vazifasi sigirni yolg'iz saqlash, ya'ni yolg'iz o'zini saqlash deyapti. It had to be kept separate from all the other cows and far away from people. Ya'ni uni o'zini alohida saqlanishi, boshqa sigirlardan alohida saqlash va odamlardan uzoqda saqlash kerak bo'lgan. Va hozir this was an easy job for Argos. Ya'ni bu o'sha Argos uchun juda ham oson ish edi deyapti. The cow just ate grass all day. Ya'ni sigir kun davomida faqatgina o't yerdi deyapti. But the god Zeus wanted the cow. Ammo Zeus sigirni xohladi deyapti. He wanted to take it away from Hera. Ya'ni u o'sha uni Heradan tortib olishni xohlagan. He had a plan, ya'ni unda reja bor edi. He found a great music player. Ya'ni u o'sha buyuk, ya'ni yaxshi degan ma'noda kelyapti. Yaxshi musiqa chaluvchisini, ya'ni musiqachini topdi. He asked the man to play a beautiful song for Argos. Ya'ni u o'sha erkakka aytdiki, Argos uchun juda ham bir chiroyli kuy chalib berishini so'radi. Zeus was certain Argos would go to sleep. Ya'ni Zeusning ishonchi komil edi Argos uxlab qolishiga dedi. The song had an immediate effect. Ya'ni kuy, musiqa tez orada ta'sir qildi. Argos couldn't focus on his job. Ya'ni Argos ishiga diqqatini qarata olmay qoldi. Ya'ni uyqusi kelib qoldi. He fell asleep. Mana uxlab qoldi. Pashta uxladi. Zeus saw this. Ya'ni Zeus buni ko'rdi and he took the cow. Va u sigirni oldi. Hera was very angry with Argos. Va Herani esa Argosdan juda ham jahli chiqdi. She turned him into a peacock. Ya'ni uni deyapti tovusga aylantirib qo'ydi. Turned him into degani uni aylantirdi nimagadir. Peacock, tovus. She put his many eyes on his tail. Ya'ni u deyapti uni ko'p ko'zlarini uni dumiga qo'ydi. Argos was very sad. Ya'ni Argos juda ham xafa edi. Zeus saw how much trouble he had caused Argos. Ya'ni Zeus Argosni uni uchun qanchalik muammoga duchor bo'lganini ko'rdi. He made another plan. Va u boshqacharoq reja qildi deyapti. He turned Argos into a group of stars. Ya'ni u Argosni o'sha bir to'da, ya'ni bir guruh yulduzlarga aylantirib qo'ydi. He wanted Argos to remain in the sky forever. Ya'ni u o'sha Argosni osmonda butun umr qolishini xohladi. Even today Argos image remains there above the site where all his problems began. Ya'ni hattoki bugun ham Argosning tasviri image o'sha yerda o'sha barchasi boshlangan joyda deyapti. Va oxirgi gapimizda we can still see him in the night sky. Ya'ni biza uni kechasi osmonda ko'rishimiz mumkin. Videomizda foydali bo'ldi degan umiddaman. E'tiboringiz uchun rahmat. Xayr, salomat bo'ling.